Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Children, what do we mean by trisection?
3.
3.
Ma'am,
Tri
that
means
the
3. Tri means 3 and
Dividing
section
into 3 sections.
equal parts. Trisection means dividing into 3 equal parts. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3. It would be something like this. Let us have AB given by 4 minus 1 and B given by minus 2 minus 3. All right. We have to find the point of trisection. That means those 2 points which will divide AB into 3 equal parts. How many parts are needed, beta? Like previous case, 4 equal parts were there. How many points will be needed?
3.
2 points.
2.
2 points.
Let the 2 points be Q, X, Y, and let it be R. X dash Y. Yes. Let Q, X, Y and R, X dash, Y dash be the 2 points that divide AB in the ratio. Sorry, in 3 equal parts. Now, children, in the previous part, please mute yourself. We were given A and B. 4 equal parts, 3 points were there. So you chose this first. Using midpoint formula, we found this. Then next we took care of this, found it as a midpoint. And then next, again we had an option of midpoint with us, right? But here, suppose I take Q. Beta, why don't you mute yourself? See, what is Q? Q is a midpoint of AR. But Q is unknown, R is also unknown. So it will not be useful. Likewise, if I look at R is the midpoint of QB. Here again, both Q and R are missing. So I cannot apply midpoint formula. So that means something else has to be done. If you just pay attention here, we have AQ equal QR is equal RB. 3 parts are equal. 3 parts are equal. Ji beta. Now 3 parts are equal, like each part is equal to A. You can call it any variable, I am calling it A. So what will be AQ on QB? AQ will be A and QB, if you see here, QB can be written as QR plus RB. Sum of these 2 parts, right?
Okay.
Now QR is A, RB is also A. So is it A upon 2A beta? Yes?
Yes.
And A upon
Yes,
2A
ma'am.
means 1 upon 2. A upon 2A means 1 upon 2. So can we please take this Q as the point of division? This Q as the point of division that divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Forget about R for the time being. Forget about the R. Can this Q be taken as a point of division that divides AB in the ratio 1:2, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Are you clear? Now we know the extreme point x1, y1. We have this with us. We have x2, y2 with us. We have the ratio m1, m2 as 1:2. By section formula, will it be possible for us to find xy easily?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, once we get to know xy, B is already known, then we shall apply R as the midpoint of QB.
Show the
We shall apply midpoint formula and find the value of R. Clear? So one time
Yes,
section
Yes,
formula,
ma'am.
next time Next time, the special form of section formula in the form of midpoint, right? So how I'm going to do is, let children please draw this rough figure, mark x1, y1 and x2, y2 here, the way I have done. Let q, x, y and r, x dash, y dash be the points that divide AB into 3 equal parts. That is AQ equal QR equal RB is equal to A. Say, thus AQ upon QB is equal to A upon QR plus RB, which is A upon A plus A upon 2A, that is 1 upon 2. So this implies Q divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Q divides AB in the ratio 1:2. So therefore, M1 is 1 and M2 is 2. Clear? Bisection formula X is M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2, and Y equal M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by M1 plus M2 beta. Now let us put the values. So this gives me X is equal to M1. M1 is 1. M1 is 1. X1, Y1, X2, Y2 are here. So 1 and X2 is -2. So 1 into -2 plus M2 is 2 and X1 is 4 divided by 1 plus 2, and Y is equal to 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1 again divided by 1 plus 2. Okay? So this further gives me X is equal to -2 plus 8 upon 3, 6 upon 3, which is 2, and Y equal -3 minus 2 upon 3, which is -5 upon 3. So therefore, Q is 2 minus 5 comma 3. Okay, beta? Children, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So now after we know Q, R is midpoint of QV. So let us go for the midpoint formula. Now R is midpoint of BQ. So therefore, by midpoint formula, what do we have? We have X dash is equal to X plus X2 upon 2, which is, beta, X is 2 and X2 is -2. 0 upon 2 is equal to 0. And Y dash is y plus y2 upon में 2, which is y is minus 5 upon 3. Please be careful. Plus minus 3 divided by 2. Here, beta, you need to take LCM in the numerator. First, you take LCM in the numerator and then take care of this 2. So this is equal to LCM is 3 minus 5 minus 9 upon में 2. Now minus 5 and minus 9 becomes
minus 14.
minus 14 upon में 3 into 2. This 2 and 14 can get cancelled. So we shall get minus 7 upon में 3. Minus 7 upon में 3. So thus Q 2 minus 5 by 3 and R 0 minus 7 by 3 are the required points. All right.